So in today's session, we are learning about our friends to 5, our friends to 6, our friends to 7, 8 and 9, because we've already done our friends to 10. So I'm going to get some of my counting bears. You can get toy cars, Lego, whatever it is you want to choose. And I'm going to count out 5 bears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do what we did when we did our friends to 10. I'm going to put my one group of 5 into 2 groups. They don't have to be equal. In fact, they can't be equal because they're odd. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 on one side, 1, 2 on the other side, and I am going to record that as a number sentence. So I write 3 plus 2 equals 5. I notice that both my numbers here, one is an odd number, one is an even number, and together they add up to an odd number. So I wonder, if I'm doing this, whether 2 even numbers could add up to an odd number. So it might be something I'm thinking about whilst I'm doing this. I repeat this again. I put my 5 bears back in the middle, and I'm going to see how else I can do this. So this time I've got 1 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. I record my number sentence. I have 1, which is an odd number, plus 4, which is an even number, equals 5, which is an odd number. And I carry on and see how many different ways I can do that. Once I have finished looking at all the ways I can add up to 5, I get myself another counting bear. This time I've got 6. 6 is an even number. I wonder what will happen. I can put 1, 2, sorry, Mr. Bear, on one side, 1, 2, 3, 4. I then write a number sentence. I have 2, that's an even number, plus 4, which is another even number, equals 6. So this time I have 2 even numbers and they equal another even number. Right, I wonder what happens if I do it differently. So I put my bears back into the middle. I have one group. I put 1, 2, 3. That's an odd number. 1, 2, 3. Another odd number. And they make a total of 6. So I write here 3 plus 3 equals 6. So one odd number plus another odd number equals 6. I carry on looking at all the different ways I make 6. When I have done that, I add another one in. I do the same for 7, then for 8, then for 9. And I want to see what I find out about odd numbers, even numbers, what sort of patterns there are. Don't forget to press stop at the end.